Sledgehammer strike is a total body cardiovascular movement. We're going to start off with our sledgehammers, number one. Now, very important, when you utilize a sledgehammer strike, number one thing you want to do is get an appropriate sledgehammer for your abilities. So today I've got a 12-pound sledgehammer. Second thing is you want to make sure that your striking surface is going to be one that you're not going to damage and that can take the beating without any issues. So we've got a big tractor tire that we utilize. So the last thing you want to focus on is when you strike with this, you want to make sure that you're going to utilize the flat surface of your sledgehammer, okay? If you hit the tire, especially if it's a tire, with the normal striking edge of your sledgehammer, you have the ability to have it bounce back towards your face. Very dangerous, so you want to be very careful. Again, utilize the flat surface of your sledgehammer to hit your tire. Once ready to rock, you're going to set up a position a couple feet from your tire. Hands separated, one up by your striking surface, one down low on your handle. Once you're ready, you drive overhead and you throw that up and come down, bringing your hands together to hit your striking surface. Once you strike, you want to separate your hands again and one out to the top, one out to the bottom so you have good control of your tire. What we don't want to do is go here, try to control it at a distance and come back around. That leaves us a little bit out of control, so we want to make sure we have good control of the sledgehammer. Once we're ready to rock, you can go one of two ways. Same side every time, hit your tire, come back to the same side, or if you feel comfortable enough, you can switch sides. As you go, switch right, switch left. Full speed, it's one and through.